Welcome to the alphabet quiz. Think fast and answer before time runs out. Ready? Let's go. Name a fruit that starts with A. Apple, apricot, avocado. Name a country that starts with J. Japan, Jordan, Jamaica. Name a color that starts with B. Blue, black, brown. Name an animal that starts with E. Elephant, eagle, eel. Name a drink that starts with O. Orange juice, oolong tea, oat milk. Name a city that starts with N. New York, Nairobi, Naples. Name a vegetable that starts with B. Broccoli, beetroot, bell pepper. Name a sport that starts with T. Tennis, table tennis, taekwondo. Name something in the sky that starts with S. Sun, star, satellite. Name a job that starts with D. Doctor, driver, designer. Name a flower that starts with L. Lily, lotus, lavender. Name something you wear that starts with H. Hat, hoodie, helmet. Name a dessert that starts with C. Cake, cupcake, cookie. Name a mode of transportation that starts with B. Bus, bicycle, boat. Name a sea animal that starts with W. Whale, walrus, white shark. Name a body part that starts with N. Nose, neck, nail. Name something hot that starts with F. Fire, frying pan, furnace. Name a language that starts with F. French, Filipino, Finnish. Name a capital city that starts with A. Ankara, Athens, Abu Dhabi. Name something cold that starts with I. Ice, ice cream, icicle. Name a fruit that starts with P. Papaya, peach, pineapple. Name a country that starts with M. Mexico, Morocco, Malaysia. Name a color that starts with G. Green, gray, gold. Name an animal that starts with L. Lion, leopard, lemur. Name a drink that starts with C. Coffee, cola, coconut water. Name a city that starts with S. Sydney, Stockholm, Seoul. Name a vegetable that starts with C. Carrot, cabbage, cauliflower. Name a sport that starts with B. Basketball, baseball, boxing. Name something in the house that starts with T. Table, television, towel. Name a job that starts with P. Pilot, police, painter. Name a flower that starts with R. Rose, rhododendron, rosemary. Name something you wear that starts with J. Jacket, jeans, jersey. Name a dessert that starts with M. Mousse, macaron, muffin. Name a mode of transport that starts with T. Train, tram, taxi. Name a sea animal that starts with D. Dolphin, dugong, dogfish. Name a body part that starts with H. Hand, head, Heel. Name something hot that starts with S. Soup, sun, sauna. Name a language that starts with S. Spanish, Swedish, Serbian. Name a capital city that starts with B. Berlin, Brussels, Budapest. Name something cold that starts with W. Water, winter, wind. How many did you get right? Comment your score below and subscribe for more fun quizzes.